So we are members with ASIRT and associated with ASIRT for last 5 years. As association, the board has been very supportive and cooperative, technically enhancing us regularly and opening up avenues for doing businesses with the industry people. Being as a sponsor this year, the stage which was given with the participation of all the members, it was very much appreciated by the it was very much appreciated, and post that, as we had put up the stall, there was a lot of positive response and lots of people had inquired about the solutions which are being offered from us, and we are looking forward for these kind of further participation with ASIRT on all other lines. So, on behalf of Synology and Data Skill Systems, we thank ASIRT board for organizing Synergy 2024, and we look forward for these kind of events year after year. Thank you.